Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how we can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to click on Clock App or Clock widget. Then select Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon to create your own. Now set up an hour. When you're ready, click on Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. Now tap on OK and click on Label. Over here you can label your alarm however you wish to. Click OK and finally choose ring duration. Now you need to select how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 20. Now click on snooze duration, pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat by swiping left or right on those two sliders. Then click on OK. Now you need to choose sound and from here choose allow in this pop-up. Now you can select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one and going back, or select music from your smartphone by clicking on music on device and tapping on one of your songs. You can also click on vibration section at the top, select one of those vibration patterns like tap tap tap, or disable vibrations completely by tapping on none. Then click on the back button twice and finally save your alarm by choosing checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to switch it off completely, select this switcher next to it. You can tap on the same one to switch it back on. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes and click on the check mark again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it as well, but this time click on delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!